Hello student, good morning. In previous videos already we have finished 9, 10, 11 lesson and I hope you will have written all the homework in your workbook. Dear student, today I am going to teach you. I am going to start a new lesson, lesson number 8, Introduction to Economics. Page number 64. Dear student, today we are going to teach Introduction of Economics. On the page number 64, there is one table. Okay, and on the table, okay, there are the example of your expenditure. See there, expenditure. Daily food is 6,000 rupees. Buying 2 set of uniform 2,000. Social school stationery 500, medical expenditure 450 rupees, recreation 500, mobile bill 1000, vegetable fruit 1000, public transport 2600, electric bill 1500, tourism 4000, bank installment 3000. Suppose it is your monthly expenditure. ये क्या है? आपका पूरा महीने का खर्चा है. And total amount of your expenditure is 22,550 rupees. So today we are going to teach introduction of economics. Economics उसको बोलते हैं अर्थशास्त्र. Okay. So dear student, suppose your expenditure is 22,550 and this is your expenditure this month and your monthly income is 20,000 and suppose your monthly income is 20,000 rupees. आपकी महीने की इनकम कितना है? 20,000, 20,000 रुपये है और खर्चा कितना है? 22,550. So how will you manage your family? क्या होगा? What will happen? Gradually poverty or bad condition enter in your home. Okay, dear student, we have seen, you have seen also in your surrounding and your neighbors. Okay, they using too much money. Okay, and their income is very low, so they are facing many problems in their life. Okay, for example, drunkard, or okay, or anything. Okay, they expense too much, but they didn't see how much is our income. वो देखते हैं कि अपना इनकम कितना है, कितना खर्चा करते हैं. Okay, but they don't know how to use the money, how to use the time, how to use the land properly. So this economics tell us how to use the money in good condition as well as in bad conditions. अगर आपकी कंडीशन अच्छी है उस टाइम में, अगर आपकी कंडीशन बैड है तो उस टाइम में ओके पैसे का यूज़, ओके टाइम का यूज़, लैंड का यूज़ कैसे किया जा सकता है. ओके, ये सब बातें, ऑल दिस थिंग्स इकोनॉमिक्स टेल अस. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, to strike a balance between your income and your expenditure, decide what will be your preference for expenditure. Okay, rewrite the table according to your preference and discuss in class. So your income is very low, very less, and your expense is too much high. So what will you do? Okay, imagine. Okay, and we have to learn how to use the money. You have seen many news in televisions as well as in newspapers. Okay, they suicide their lives. Okay, they finish their life because they said that we have large amount of debt on their head. उसके ऊपर बहुत कर्जा है. Okay, बहुत पैसा देना है लोगों का. That's why, because they didn't know how to use the money. They expense too much. So dear student, we have to use the money properly. Okay, अगर according to your earnings, तुम्हारी अर्निंग कितनी है, तुम्हारी इनकम कितना है. जैसा कि as we have seen, just means the table. Okay, your expenditure is 22,000 and your income is 20,000। महीने का आपका खर्चा 22,000 है और इनकम कितनी है 20,000। क्या हो जाएगा, मतलब 2,000 आपके ऊपर क्या हो जाएगा, डेप्थ हो जाएगा। सो आफ्टर डिस्कशन ऑन द अबव एक्टिविटी यू विल रियलाइज दैट मैनेजमेंट ऑफ इंडिविजुअल और फैमिली फाइनेंस इज मेनली रिलेटेड टू इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर फैक्टर्स। सो we discuss about this economics tell us how to use the time, money, labor and land effectively। ओके, किस तरह से अपना लैंड, ओके, मनी, टाइम और ओके अपना पैसा, ये सब बातें किस तरह से यूज करना चाहिए। ओके, ये सब बातें हमको who teaches economics teachers। that's why the management of individual personal life as well as our family finance is mainly related to income and expenditure। So how to manage your family, okay, how to satisfy the demand or need of your family members, okay, all these things are depend on your income। इसके ऊपर डिपेंड है तुम्हारी इनकम के ऊपर। जस्ट आई टोल्ड यू इकोनॉमिक्स टेल अस हाउ टू बिहेव, हाउ टू यूज इन द बैड कंडीशंस एज वेल एज इन द गुड कंडीशंस। Okay, economics tell us। So this lead to the birth of economics। So in this way the economics taken birth, इसका birth होता है बाद में economics। So जिस तरह से हम अपने फैमिली का ओके मेंटेनेंस करते हैं, उसके जो इनकम उसके जो नीड्स है, उसके डिमांड्स होके उसके फुलफिल करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू अवर इनकम, अपना इनकम देख के, उसी तरह से ओके वी हैव टू मैनेज और विलेज और स्टेट, ओके, और कंट्री, इस सभी को अपने को क्या करना है, मैनेज करना है। एंड डू यू नो नाउअडेज और इंडियन इकोनॉमी इज वेरी वीक। कैसा है, वेरी वीक, ओके, इन द कंपैरिजन ऑफ वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज, बिकॉज वी हैव सीन द वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज देयर इकोनॉमी इज टू मच हाई, उसका इकोनॉमी टू मच हाई है नाउ। दैट्स व्हाई और इंडिया कंट्री इज नाउअडेज डेवलपिंग कंट्री। क्या है अभी तक, डेवलपिंग कंट्री। Means India is not totally a developed country because the population is more, because our population is more। Okay, you know that India is the second populated country in the world and first is China। Okay, so dear student, today's video just we have seen the introduction of economics। We have seen economics tell us how to use the money, how to use the time, how to behave, okay। So all these things okay related, these factor are depend on the economics, okay, उसको बोलते हैं अर्थशास्त्र। and those person knows very well economics, okay, they maintain their family very well, but those person didn't know how what is economics, okay, so they faces many problems, okay, in their life। So dear student, today's video we have seen the introduction of economics। So okay, today's all for this, I hope you will understood okay very well। Next video we will see next portion of this lesson। Thank you।